Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX product marketing team, and today I'm going to be discussing how to upgrade to a new version in NX. NX operates on a monthly update schedule to provide improvements for applications and functions based on customer feedback. Today we'll dive into two different ways we can make sure we're using the latest versions of our software. The update strategy that we will use will depend on what type of install we have. The first way we will look at is for NXX, the Cloud SaaS installation of NX. By going to the top and hovering over this circle, we can find our user profile. This profile is only displayed within NXX, so if you have a local install of NX, stay tuned for a moment. Once we're here, we can select Manage Install, and this will bring us to the Siemens Software Center. We can see right away that NXX needs a new update. To do this, we can simply select the Update option, or alternatively, explore Install options if we need to specify which version we would like to update to. Next, we can look at a second way to update, for when we have a traditional local install of NX. To demonstrate this, I'm going to restart my system, this time opening the local install. In the upper right hand corner, you can see there is an exclamation mark. When I hover over this, it shows that automatic updates are turned off. To fix this, we have to go into Settings, specifically in Utilities, and then Customer Defaults. From there, we need to navigate to Gateway on the left and select the General option. Inside of here is a tab for software updates. Now we are presented with three options to choose from to control how we are notified when updates are ready. The option we currently have selected is None. For this option, there are no notifications when updates are released, and updates aren't automatically applied. Next, we have the option for Notify Only. This time, we are alerted when updates are available, but nothing is performed automatically. And finally, our last option here sends notifications and automatically downloads new updates. This is the best option for receiving new updates when they are released. I'm going to exit out and restart NX so our new customer defaults are applied. Once I've done this, we can now see the upper right hand corner has now changed. Instead of the exclamation mark, we now have a cloud symbol at the top. When hovering over this, we can see there is a new version available to download. When I select this icon, a new window opens, prompting us to download the latest version of NX. If we select Yes, the download will start, but we can still continue to use NX. If you're interested in release notes, they can be viewed by selecting this middle option, and if we'd like to reject the install for a more convenient time, we can simply select No. In conclusion, in this video, we've discussed two different ways to make sure NX is completely up to date. The first place we looked was in Siemens Software Center, where we saw the option to update our install to the latest version. And finally, after that, we discussed how to turn on notifications and set up our systems to download new installs automatically, rather than using traditional manual downloads. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.